Model, 2013 VAUXHALL Vivaro long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 PS Sportive Van 2.9t Euro 5 body, silver, camper mileage, 119781 MOT, 15 September 2023 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp EUR05B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine partly stripped as injector number 2 is stuck in the head. Will need replacing. Rest of the engine looks all good. Gearbox and clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Pictures do not do justice to the camper conversion. Previous owner spent a good 4K on it and got a lot of work done by local camper converters. Only selling due to moving out of the country.